Thich ojiwo rowere mang'anyo mondo ng'any gi kwee maki gi keth mwandu. Kane oloso bang' lemo ne rawere kanisa ma Deliverance, jakom gi Jonathan Rotich oyango ni rowere mag Gen Z nyaka mi luor jotelo kama oting'o jatend piny kata obedo ni ging'anyo. Henry Cheriot ma en achiel kuom jotelo go bende okwedo timbe moko kuom josiasa matiyo gi jonjore ketho ng'anyo mar kwee, ka okwayo rowere mang'anyo mondo ng'any gi kwee.
We want to thank you so much, young people, kwa sababu mlipoenda street na kusema maneno yetu. Most of what you told us ni ya kwamba ilikuwa ya ukweli. The only thing that I'm requesting ni kwamba if you are going to go to the street, you have your democratic right to do so because the constitution of our country will allow you to do so, provided that you don't destroy properties.
Peace is vital. So whatever we do, let us do it in peace. Whatever we are demonstrating in, let us demonstrate in peace. Let us demonstrate accountability and let us not allow other people to even infiltrate us. We have people who can infiltrate and they bring the bad things other than making the right thing on what is needed. The issue of the GNC or whatever group going to the places of our leaders is accepted, provided it is done honorably, it is done peaceably, and done in a manner that is worthy. And as Christians, we'll continue praying for this country.
Tunaombea polisi ya kwamba wasiprovoke wale ambao wanafanya demonstration. Tunaombea iwe peaceful na mambo ya uharibifu isitokee.
We are urging all of us that let's refrain from doing harm in the process of trying to salvage this situation in the country.